In this video, I'll show you how to install a conversion API for Facebook ads on your Shopify store. So this will help you track customer actions more accurately, even with the browser restrictions or ad blockers. So from your Shopify admin, so as you can see, I don't have an account in Shopify since Shopify allows user or first-time users to avail their plan first in order to access the admin dashboard. Let's assume that we are logging in here. So listen carefully as I explain each step so you know what to expect and what to do. So first, once you are logged into the Shopify dashboard, go to the apps and then under the app, Shopify App Store, and then search for the Facebook and Instagram by Meta, and then click the ad app and install it to your store. So once installed, click Start Up. So during this setup, you'll be asked to connect your Facebook Business Manager. So this is it. So your Facebook page and an ad account and then your Instagram account. So the Instagram account is optional. You can just disregard it. And then after that, and your product catalog. So make sure all assets are owned and managed under the same business manager for a smooth integration. So, in terms of enabling data sharing with Conversions API, once your assets are connected, you can go to the settings on the Shopify, and then after that, under that is the data sharing settings. Click on that and then choose the maximum data sharing option. So this enables both the Metapixel and Conversion API. So this setup ensures that your store sends customer events through both browser and server-side channels, improving tracking reliability. So after that, go to your Meta Events Manager and then um, look for that. And then after that, select your pixel and then under settings, scroll down to see if conversion API is listed under event sources and then run a test by visiting your Shopify store and making a test action. So you should see both browser and server events appear in real time. So after setting it up, regularly monitor event quality score, redundant events, ad performance metrics under Ads Manager. So by using Conversion API, you ensure more accurate data for optimizing your Facebook ad campaigns. So that's it. So you've successfully installed the Conversion API for Facebook ads in Shopify for 2025. So this upgrade will help you adapt to modern privacy changes and get better insight from your ad traffic. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.